Mother's Day to Inang, wherever you are. You are the best mom ever, Inang. I love you, Inang. You are in the God's hands now. Happy with the Lord Jesus Christ, with lahat ng ito. You are the best mom ever, Inang. Now you are in heaven with the Lord Jesus Christ. I love you. Thank you. Thank you very much for loving me and for being my Inang. Happy Mother's Day.